Hi, I'm Dr. Malia Sharvat. I'm the CEO and founder at Savonix. Savonix is a digital cognitive assessment platform. Our vision is a world without dementia. Our mission is to make neuropsychological testing available to anyone, anytime, in any corner of the world, and to have that be affordable and actionable. And we do this by digitizing gold standard measures that have been used in medicine, many of them for over 80 years, and they assess functions like working memory, attention, visual spatial orientation, cognitive flexibility, and executive function. We've built our platform in a 3D gaming engine, which assures consistency between devices and operating systems for precision reaction time measurements that allow us to deliver 100% reliable data for clinical insights. Savonix assessments can be delivered in increments as short as 3 minutes for a quick screen, or up to around 30 minutes for a full neuropsychological battery.